Welcome again, everyone, to the FSAirlines Virtual Airline Management System. We're continuing our series of tutorials on the FSAirlines package system. And today we'll talk about releasing unwanted packages, as well as the ground delivery of off-airport packages and the new features that have been installed on the FSAirlines website. Before we get to the website, let's talk about releasing unwanted packages. Say you picked up a package in error, and you know you just cannot possibly deliver it. You can release that package, and we'll show you how once we get over into the website. But you must realize that releasing packages, there is a time frame. If you release a package within 1 hour of picking it up, there is no penalty. After that, the longer you hold on to that package, the more you'll have to pay. Until after 4 days, you'll be paying 100% the package value times your airline multiplier. When it comes to delivering packages as well, you have 2 days for priority packages, 4 days for non-priority packages, and the clock starts at the package acceptance, not at your flight departure. When it comes to delivering ground packages, there is a charge, 1% package value per nautical mile. So if you pick up a package that's 100 nautical miles from your destination and you decide to ground deliver it, you will be making zero money because all of your money has gone for the ground delivery. When it comes to package pay, your first 4 days of non-priority packages, you make 100%. And as you can see by the chart, the longer it takes you to deliver these packages, the less money you will make until at the end of day 14 for non-priority or day 7 for priority packages, you will be billed 100% of the price of the package. And once again, that then goes times your airline multiplier. So it's very important that you pick packages that you know you can deliver in a timely manner. If you want to know the status of your packages, we'll show you how to do that as well shortly. You go to All VA Packages tab, and then you will see all the packages on all aircraft in your virtual airline. The status, when I say status, I mean the column that the dates are in. They will turn from green to yellow to red the longer the packages are held and not delivered, to give you a quick glance to see where you are at as far as those packages getting delivered on time. So let's stop talking about money and income, and let's just jump right into it and go to our pre-flight. And today we're going to be flying a Bombardier Dash 8 Q400, and we are going to jump into our website here, and we're going to book our flight because we know where we're going already. I showed you in the first installment how to look for freight and where to get that freight. And now today we're going to start thinking outside the box a little bit with this freight. So we're going to book our flight. And we're going to go to Long Beach out of Oakland, California. And then once you book your flight, there's now a tab right here in front that says Select Packages. This will get you to the packages closest to your destination. Now, as you can see, we could probably fill this airplane with packages from Long Beach, but we're not going to do that because we want to show you exactly how the ground delivery system works. So we're going to take one package to Long Beach, and then we're going to take 2 priority packages over to Santa Ana, and we're going to ground deliver those Santa Ana packages. And so we have selected those boxes, and now we can load those packages on our aircraft. It is the weekend, so sometimes the website's a little slow. It's doing pretty good today. So we have 1,323 pounds of packages, and the rest of our cargo, our 400 pounds left over, will go as generic cargo to Long Beach. So we have our packages loaded. We're going to go back and check our briefing document. Now let's say we changed our mind and we don't want to hand deliver those packages to Santa Ana. There's a couple of ways we can release those packages. And the first one is we go to the Packages tab. And then where it says Load Our Airplane, at the very bottom here, we can release packages. Because if we notice for loading the airplane's full, we can't load it anymore. And these check boxes are grayed out. We can't do anything with them. But if we use this drop-down menu and we go release select packages, we could release that package from Santa Ana by just checking it and clicking release select packages. And once we do that, then you will see we will only have 2 packages on board. And then I'll show you a way you can release packages through the VA database, all VA packages. And as you can see here, there is a 737-900 out of Dallas headed for Las Vegas that is loaded. He also has stuff on board for San Diego. And he's going to stop in Las Vegas and pick up these packages for San Diego and continue on. Okay, here is our Bombardier Q400. And if we wanted to release this package, we would click the box here and then we would select release. So there's 2 different ways you can release packages, and you will find out later once we do the flight. Whoops, we don't want to release them both. Submit is select release, we'll select them all. And then, so once you have the ones you want to release, you then just click submit. Once we land in Long Beach and do our delivery, I'll show you how there's different ways you can also deliver packages. So we now only have 1 package on board, so we need to go back and load up some more packages. The easiest way is to go to book flight and select packages, because it will give you the closest packages to your destination. So there's Long Beach. We could go to LAX. In fact, we might take LAX. See, these packages going to Santa Ana are only worth $1,255. And then we have packages going to LAX worth $1,316. So let's take those 2 instead. So we check those boxes, we load selected, and then once again we should have all of our packages on board. And after you make changes, I strongly advise you go up to the packages tab, and then the virtual airlines packages tab, and make sure that what's on your airplane is what you want on your airplane. So we have 1 for Long Beach and 2 for LAX. That's perfect. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to check our briefing document real quick. 307 nautical miles, 2,868 pounds. So we are going to go ahead and fly the flight, and once the flight is done, we will be back here, and then we will talk about how we do things to get packages delivered. So don't go away. You will be in Long Beach fairly quickly, and we'll see you soon. Okay, we are back. Welcome to Long Beach, everybody. We have landed, and the first thing we're going to do is look at our client, and you will see that our income is showing $145,800. Now that does not reflect package income itself. So we will go to the website, and we can see our flight here shows $163,175. So it has increased already. That includes the packages that were delivered to Long Beach. Now if we go to our packages tab, we will see that we still have the LAX packages on board. Now, just like with releasing packages, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can come right here to deliver packages, and then check the boxes, and then deliver selected packages. Or you can come up to all VA packages, and you can click the deliver boxes here and select and submit deliver. So we'll go ahead and deliver. Well, let's go over that one more time. So you can go to your packages tab here, and this is our airplane with 2 packages left on board. We can't do anything with these boxes right now until we actually click either deliver selected packages here in the action tab. Then these boxes become active, or we can come up to all VA packages, come down to our aircraft, and now we can deliver those packages right from there and submit. And now once those are submitted, our aircraft is off the board because it no longer has any packages on it. And we go back to our overview screen and we see that now we have made $223,625. So that's the package system and how to release and ground deliver packages. And then once again, remember that the further away you get from your destination, the less money you're going to make on ground transportation until it gets to the point to where generic cargo would actually make more. So you have to make some wise decisions. Thank you so much again for watching our little video, provided to you, of course, once again by your friends here at Fly Vegas. We are a virtual airline on the FSAirlines system. You can check us out at www.flyvegasvirtual.com, or if you have never been a pilot, a virtual pilot, go ahead and log on to www.fsairlines.net and see what that's all about, and maybe you might get the flying bug someday too. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Keep the blue side up, and happy flying.